Hi team. This is going to be the third part of the tutorial on how to create a new course and do all the backend. So this last part is going to be how to include this new course on the course enrollment list when people on the website when people are trying to get more information about the course and how to make that new course appear on this drop down. So to be more specific, I'm going to show it to you. So let me share my screen. Okay, so when people are on the website and they click the button that says apply now, they are brought here. So on this section, when it says offered courses. So what we want to do here is include this new course onto our offered courses list. You see we have the the diplomas, and we have the courses here with the dates and everything. So let's do it. So we want to go to this website. Uh, I'm gonna have the password and the credentials for this website or this page are in the key passwords document. I just have it saved and I have it handy right here where it says Backend UPEACE website here. So I click it, go to calendar, and then select where it says UPEACE academic calendar. Okay, this part is very old school looking, but it's very easy. Here we're gonna do two important things. Um, this is like the back end of the whole university. And what we want to do is include this new course on the list of courses offered, like I showed you before. But before doing that, we have to make this an official course within the roster that the Center for Executive Education offers. So I'm going to give you an example. You're going to see 4 tabs here. First step is to go to courses. We're going to do 2 important things. The first thing is to create the course in the website. All programs, select this, and then scroll to the end where it says UP Center for Executive Education. Now, once you click that, you're going to see all of the courses that the center offers, and you'll see the dates and the years, meaning how many instances or iterations the course has been offered in. You know, all the years. ECT has been offered from 2012 until 2024, and so on and so on. Ethical marketing only has, this date because it's a new course. So for a new course, to insert our new course here, you're going to click on add a course here and then name it. We're going to put new course, same thing. Oh, sorry. New course test. You'll often see the names have like online or on-site in parentheses, to distinguish each. In this case, I'm going to put it just because. This is the course code. We don't follow a course code. I believe UPEACE in general uses course codes, but we don't internally. So what we do is we put like the initials and like a number like 221 or 001. So in this case, I'll put NCT as in new course test and then 001. That's the code. Is foundation course type. We put that yes, English, perfect, and then we just click on add. Oh, sorry, program is required. Again, scroll down where it says UP Center for Executive Education, click add. And now we look for a new course. Here, number 37. Okay, now that the course is created, we go to the second step, which is go to instances. Select a period. We are in the 2023-2024 period. Select the program in case we're working in the center. And then go to go. Select go. Now, you'll see all the courses, their ID, their codes, And then here all of the dates. When you're changing the course date or course iteration, you come in here and the only thing you do is edit this existing instance, edit it into, and change the date. But in this case, this is a new course, so we have to create a new instance, the first instance of this new course, right? So add a course instance over here. Click on this, add a new course instance. Make sure you are in the correct period, 2023, 2024. I'm going to explain something about this in a bit. Select your program, so scroll down until you see UP Center for Executive Education. Click on course. Now, why couldn't we just created an instance first? Because we wouldn't have been able to select a course. So you have to create the course or make the course official within the list of courses that the program of the Center for Executive Education offers. And then once the course is there as an official course, you come back and you create an instance for this specific course, okay? So look for the one that we just created. Here, new course test. Okay. Um, Credits, we don't use credits, so I always put 0. Then put in your price. Say this new course costs $5.95. Great. Professors, we always use Mohit as a professor. So you search for your professor. It's easier. Mohit. You click go, and then you see how here it says available and then selected. Just by its name appearing on this side does not mean it's selected. So you got to click on it, and then click on this arrow. So the name is transferred into the selected field, which is why I'm saying this is very old school looking like system. Okay. So bear with it. It can be a little annoying sometimes. Okay. Scroll down, sorry. Duration, you can put, whatever, 5 weeks. And course dates. Here you put the course date. Say it's starting June 10th, 2024, and it finishes July 15th, 2024. The same thing, once you selected dates, you're not done. You always have to click this button, add dates. So once the dates are transferred down here, you're done. Because I've missed this little and very easy step, and it always, it denies and always appears like an error always pops up. So you gotta make sure you add the dates here. And then program availables, you're gonna scroll down until you find the center. Same thing, click on it and then click the arrow so it's transferred to the other side. And then you click add. Super easy. Click add. It's saved, and now go to back, click here where it says back to list. And look for your new course. Here, new course test. Boom. You got our dates. Now it's officially tested out by coming to the website. We're going to refresh it. And let's look for it here in our drop-down menu. Here, new course test. Woohoo! Super. Oh, a note I wanted to mention. Here, where it says period, you don't see you can't see the period 2024, 2025 yet because it's still too soon in the year for it to appear. It will appear eventually at some point, the period 2024, 2025. These instances you have to create. So once the website shows 2024, 2025, you have to create an instance for each of the courses depending on, the date. So for instance, DYL, DYL over here, DYL has the dates for next year, right? Because it's offered once a year. However, this instance is still under the 2023-2024 period. Once the website allows, or once the website shows the 2024-2025 period, you want to transfer this instance over there. How do you transfer that? You got to create it from scratch, which is just what I showed you right here. So yeah, because look what happens if I look for a different period. 2021, 2022. If you click go, you'll see again the same list of courses, but with different dates from that period. But because we're in the 2023, 2024 page, you want to do this. The reason why the other period had more courses listed or more instances was because Esmeralda would create one instance each time the course happened. But I figured it was just easier to have one instance and just change the dates. For instance, um, for example, EISC is offered twice a year. So right now, or it used to have the date February 2024, but because it's going to be offered in July, instead of creating another instance of EISC for this period, I just changed the date. This is easier, and you don't have, a huge amount of courses there. It's just easier to keep one and change it. Oh, another very important thing. Um, the diplomas instances have to be manually changed because I mean we don't have iterations for the diplomas. We don't change this every couple of months. So once the 2024-2025 period is available, you want to make sure you go and create the diplomas inside that period. Um, because I mean, they won't be changed otherwise. And you want the diplomas to appear with the actual date over here. Um, so that's all. Hope this was helpful. And again, you can also compare an instance, an already existing instance to compare to what you're working on, and make sure that you're not missing any steps and that everything that you need is there. Okay, bye.